Hi friends, it's Ashley from SmallTalk Academy, and today we're going to sign and do a story. So this one is called I Love Trains. See how the train goes back and forth? Trains on the track. Okay. Oh, and this is written by, I can't see. Let's go in here. Philemon Sturgis, I think. It's called I Love Trains. Okay, here it is. All right, so this little boy here is saying, trains, trains, I like trains. I like trains. Oh, he's got a cute little hat on. There's his dog. My dog's behind me over here. I like trains that hoot and roar as they rumble. I like trains that hoot and roar as they rumble past my door. I like trains that hoot and roar as they rumble by my door. Okay, first come engines, big and strong. Let's do strong. Strong. Pulling lots of cars along. Some cars keep things from, some cars keep things from the rain. Some cars carry trucks or grain. Here we are. Oh, trucks. So a car, like a car that you would drive, and then a truck, and you can kind of bounce around. A big truck. That's a big truck. Or cows. Or hogs. Sorry, that's right in front of my nose there. Like the snout. Pigs. Or gas. Or logs. Some carry steel and some carry scrap. It looks like there's some cars. Oh, and a kite. Oh, or secret stuff that's under wraps. That to me looks like a, I got my hand in there. An airplane, or maybe it's the letter R, a rocket ship. Who knows? Right. But the best car's at the end as the train goes round the bend. As the train goes round the bend. I wave. Wave. I wave. I'm glad. I'm happy. Two hands. I'm happy. Well, you can do it with one if you had the book up. I'm trying to show you the right one. I'm happy to see the car that carries Dad. There's his dad. Very cute. Ooh, it says trains, trains. I love trains. Trains, trains. I love trains. And that's the end of that one. Very cute. Did we do the last picture here? Yeah. And yes, that's it. Good job, friends. Thanks for signing with me.